Oh, we started off to go to 2022 Phillip Island Superbike Championship ride. We started from the Graham's house. Then we went through towards the Phillip Island. Uh, Most of the video, you don't see my face because I have a camera attached to my GoPro attached to my helmet. But you can see Graham a lot. You can call me as his personal videographer because in most of the video you'll see Graham and his fantastic style of riding. We almost in Phillip Island, and then we are going to enter into the circuit in a minute. It was fantastic. It was 3 days, the Superbike Championship. So we went there on Friday and we stayed there until Sunday. So this is the Friday and the entrance here, and the people are stopping and directing us further, and then we're going ahead into the ticket counter and showing them our passes, and then started going further. And there are a lot of bikes you can see, of course. You can, of course, take your bikes into the track, which is great. But there are a lot of different bikes, and many people came from different parts of the Australia, which is been feast to my eyes to see that many people and that many bikes. It was my first Superbike championship also. I never been to one of this. Um, Even there was Australian, I think it was Navy or yeah, Navy or military army, um, showcasing things. Maybe they're trying to recruit people who is coming for this championship. Um, and yeah, we went ahead further, and then we stopped at some place, and then we started exploring the first day there. There are a lot of stalls, the motorbike stalls and accessory stalls also inside. I had a fantastic experience. there we go. We are almost there. We are going to pull aside and put our bikes and start going inside. Thank you everyone for watching. It was indeed a great time.